Is your Hyundai IONIQ 6 key fob not working? Don't worry, most issues are easily resolved. First, the most common problem is a dead CR2032 battery. You'll notice intermittent locking or unlocking if this is the case. Simply pry open the fob with a coin or tool and replace the battery. No reprogramming is needed if done correctly. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob might need to be relearned. This involves using the vehicle's OBD2 port and a scan tool, or sometimes Hyundai's BlueLink app. The exact steps vary but usually involve cycling the ignition and pressing buttons on the fob. Dealer assistance is recommended to avoid accidentally locking out the fob. A minor recall in Q2 2025 affected 2.5% of IONIQ 6 vehicles manufactured between 2023 and 2024, targeting faulty antenna modules. Use the support app with diagnostics tools, allowing users to self-troubleshoot before visiting service centers. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, the problem might be with the car's antenna or receiver module. Interference from metal or electronic devices can cause issues. Diagnosis involves checking for error codes via the OBD2 port. Fixes can range from antenna alignment to module replacement. These more complex issues are less frequent, accounting for only 10 to 15% of cases. Looking ahead, trends are shifting toward digital keys via smartphone apps like Hyundai's BlueLink. Hyundai is reducing physical fob dependency by 40% in 2025 models. Future AI-driven diagnostics will preemptively alert users to battery or signal issues. While physical fobs may eventually be phased out, understanding these troubleshooting steps can save you time and money.